Hello my lovelies, I am back with another delicious recipe. Today we're going to be making Marquesote Salvadoreño. But before we begin, I want to do a quick shout out to my follower Stephanie Carrasco. She made rice pudding using my video recipe. Here is a picture. It looks so delicious and amazing. Everyone, please feel free to send in your take on my recipes and you will receive a shout out in my next videos. So now let's begin. So we're going to start off this recipe by separating the egg whites and the egg yolks from 10 eggs that we have kept at room temperature. We're going to add the egg whites into a mixer and we're going to beat them on a medium-high setting. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar, but we're going to do this little by little. We're going to continue to add the sugar and also beat the egg whites. You're going to notice that the egg whites are going to start to foam up and also stiffen. Next, we're going to add in the 10 egg yolks one at a time. We're going to continue by adding 1.5 cups of rice flour, also little by little. We're then going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And last but not least, we're going to add a few cinnamon sticks. And lastly, we're going to fold these last 2 ingredients into our batter. We don't want to mix it, we just want to fold them in. We're going to pour our batter into a buttered up mold. And finally, we're going to place our marquesote in the oven and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Our oven should be preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. And voila, we have our marquesote. It has an airy texture to it. It also has a very delicate and soft taste. Overall, it's the perfect dessert for your afternoon coffee or tea. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to please subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos in the future. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.